One trend that has been gaining traction in the cryptocurrency sector right now is Move to Earn, a fairly new niche with a range of products and services that reward you for your activeness. Move to Earn operations give an innovative way to make you wealthy while also perfecting your physical exertion. Keep watching to learn applicable knowledge on Move to Earn platforms. Before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest cryptocurrencies guides. Share the video with your friends. If you want to ask any question and clarify your confusions, feel free to write in the comments section. What's Move to Earn, M2E? As you may know, Move to Earn, M2E platforms award people for keeping fit with a redundant profit flow when they engage in routine exercise conditioning or particular fitness-related challenges. Move to Earn platforms helps users earn money through daily movements by using technology that senses and measures human movement. It's an active offshoot of Play to Earn models, where players are rewarded for the gameplay, similar as winning battles, progressing to different situations, and exploring the in-game universe. It comes off the trend of Play to Earn, where users are rewarded for playing these games. Move to Earn platforms frequently seek to promote physical exertion, aiding you in managing with rotundity and sedentariness, and furnishing you with an innovative system to earn plutocrat for perfecting your health. Indeed, experimentals have discovered that advancements in cardiorespiratory fitness result in substantial reductions in overall and complaint-specific mortality, with maximum oxygen uptake, or VO2 max, having a high correlation with life expectation. Also, Utmost Move to Earn apps increase demand for new actors and palliate selling pressure on third-party exchanges. This contributes to the request stability and ensures that the Move to Earn impulses remains desirable. As force-side pressures might exceed demand, the commemorative's value can eventually dip, as shown by several play-to-earn games' failure to sustain demand. At the time of jotting, the most well-known Move to Earn design, STEPN, was launched in March 2022. Through a token trade on Binance's Launchpad platform. In recent times, with the success of STEPN 28th project Launchpad on Binance using the Solana blockchain that has brought huge profits for users. To earn plutocrat using the STEPN app, druggies must retain one of 4 kinds of NFT lurkers: walker, jogger, runner, or coach. These have a variety of characteristics that determine how important they earn. These NFTs can be bought via the in-app business or rented from another stoner who would admit a part of any income generated while the renter moves around. You need to own a pair of shoes connected to a blockchain wallet, then the mechanism of STEPN allows you to Move to Earn tokens run or walk. Here are some of the best Move to Earn tokens to watch. StepApp, FitFi. As the newest Move to Earn platform, StepApp was greatly inspired by STEPN and functions also. Druggies must stake upgradable lurker NFTs called sneakers to start earning prices. KCAL is the platform's mileage and price commemorative that can be used to buy sneak NFTs and are gained by staking a skulk in the app. It enables druggies to contend locally or worldwide in some different ways and makes exercise more pleasurable. Virtual is a fitness-related operation that pays druggies for completing different fitness tasks similar to jogging, swimming, dancing, and working out. Virtual refers to this as sweat mining. To begin, druggies first download the Virtual app and produce an account. After that, they may engage in challenges and submit exertion data to earn virtual coins. Certain challenges are free to enter, while others bear payment, riding via the use of gamification. Druggies may upgrade to ultra expensive class, which enables them to earn further sweat coins each day, have access to a decoration business, and raise their sweat coin earning rate. This service is $4.99 per month. GenoPets, Gene. GenoPets encourages druggies to take better care of their mind and body by immersing them in a gamified experience where they nurture, combat, and grow digital creatures called GenoPets. These GenoPets may be bought, vended, and traded, and more important faves induce further plutocrat. GenoPets is the first Move to Earn mobile RPG that rewards you for exercising your body, mind, and spirit through the care of your digital familiar. Transform your physical movement and cognitive exertion into in-game progression to upgrade and evolve your GenoPet NFT. As you customize your GenoPet in your likeness, you'll find that it's as rare and valuable as you are. GenoPets, like numerous other Move to Earn apps, has 2 commemoratives. The first commemorative, Gene, serves as the game's governance commemorative, and is used to steer the game's development and underpinning processes. The alternate commemorative, Key, is the in-game cash that players get as a price and can be used to upgrade chargers and buy territories for their Geno-Pets in order to boost their stats. Geno-Pets is unique among earn-to-play platforms for allowing druggies to earn without making an original investment via its free-to-play model, which enables druggies to mint and vend Geno-Pet NFTs. Its pay-to-play conception enables fresh income sources, similar as in-game earnings in the form of Key, and the occasion to vend a variety of in-game NFTs similar as territories and chargers. The game is now in open beta, with precedence being given to individualities who retain a Genesis Geno-Pet or have staked gene commemoratives. The game's full public release is listed to launch within the alternate half of 2022. Stay tuned with us. We'll keep you posted on upcoming projects as they're available. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.